Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find jobs on Glassdoor. First, open glassdoor.com. If you already have an account, click sign in. If not, create a free account to get started. At the top of the page, click on Jobs. Here you can start searching using filters to narrow down your options. In the job title field, type the role you're looking for. For example, accounting manager. In the location field, enter a city, state, zip code, or type remote if you prefer remote work. Click search and you'll see a list of matching jobs. You can also set a job alert so Glassdoor notifies you when new jobs are posted that match your filters. Glassdoor offers several advanced filters such as salary range, easy apply jobs only, remote only positions, company rating, and date posted. For example, if I search for marketing manager jobs in New York at companies with 4 stars or higher, I might see over 600 job listings. Click on a job listing to see details including company information, job description, qualifications and requirements, and salary estimates. When you're ready, click Apply on employer's site to complete your application. From there, you can either autofill with your saved details or fill out the application manually. And that's it. That's how you can find and apply for jobs on Glassdoor. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.